Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab. If you love capturing memories while exploring new places, today's list of the top 11 best travel photography camera options will make your trips even more exciting. I've picked versatile cameras that are compact, powerful, and perfect for photos or vlogs on the go. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for updates.
"64-megapixel Wi-Fi vlogging camera." If you want a powerful yet compact camera for travel content, the 64-megapixel Wi-Fi vlogging camera is a fantastic option. I really like how it combines high-resolution photography with smooth video recording, making it perfect for documenting trips, adventures, and everyday moments. The built-in Wi-Fi makes transferring photos and videos to your phone incredibly fast, which is great for posting content instantly. It also features a bright display and simple controls that beginners can learn quickly. The lightweight body easily fits into a backpack or small travel bag. With strong image clarity, reliable autofocus, and impressive versatility, this camera is a great companion for travelers who want quality photos without carrying bulky equipment. 4K autofocus vlogging camera. The 4K autofocus vlogging camera is designed for travelers who want sharp videos and detailed photos without complicated settings. I like how the autofocus system quickly locks onto subjects, helping capture clear shots whether you are filming scenery, people, or moving moments during your trip. The 4K video quality gives your footage a cinematic feel, making travel vlogs look much more professional. Its compact build makes it easy to carry while exploring cities, hiking trails, or sightseeing all day. The camera also includes helpful features like image stabilization and user-friendly controls. Overall, it offers a great balance between performance and portability, making it a solid choice for anyone serious about travel photography. 5K dual-lens vlog camera. The 5K dual-lens vlog camera brings impressive video resolution and flexible shooting options for travelers who love creating content. What I really enjoy about this camera is the dual lens system, which allows you to switch perspectives easily when recording vlogs or capturing beautiful landscapes. The 5K recording capability produces crisp and vibrant footage that looks fantastic on modern displays. It also includes a bright screen that helps you frame shots perfectly while filming. Despite its powerful features, the camera remains lightweight and portable, ideal for travel bags and carry-on luggage. If you want advanced video quality and creative flexibility during your trips, this camera definitely stands out. 64-megapixel flip screen vlog camera. A flip screen can make a huge difference when recording travel videos, and the 64-megapixel flip screen vlog camera does this really well. The high-resolution sensor captures detailed photos, while the adjustable screen makes it easy to monitor yourself during vlogging sessions. I appreciate how convenient it is for solo travelers who want to film without extra help. The camera also performs well in various lighting conditions, from bright outdoor landscapes to indoor travel moments. Its compact design makes it easy to carry everywhere, which is important when exploring new destinations all day. For travelers who love combining photography and vlogging, this camera offers excellent versatility and convenience. 8K flip screen vlog camera. For travelers who want ultra-sharp video quality, the 8K flip screen vlog camera is an exciting option. Recording in 8K means every detail in your footage looks incredibly crisp, from mountain landscapes to busy city streets. I also love the flip screen design because it makes framing yourself during vlogs effortless. The camera provides strong image clarity and impressive color reproduction, helping your travel memories look vibrant and realistic. Despite its powerful performance, the device remains surprisingly portable and easy to carry. The user-friendly controls make it accessible even for beginners. If you want extremely detailed travel videos and photos, this camera offers cutting-edge performance in a compact design. Flip screen travel camera. The flip screen travel camera is designed specifically for portability and ease of use while exploring new destinations. I like how lightweight and compact it feels, making it perfect for slipping into a small bag or jacket pocket. The flip screen is incredibly helpful for framing selfies, recording travel diaries, or capturing quick vlogs during your adventures. It delivers reliable image quality for photos and videos while keeping controls simple for beginners. This camera is great for travelers who want a straightforward device that still produces great-looking content. Whether you're walking through historic streets or exploring nature, This camera makes capturing those moments quick, simple, and enjoyable. 50-megapixel travel vlogging camera. The 50-megapixel travel vlogging camera offers an impressive balance between image quality and portability. With its high-resolution sensor, you can capture detailed travel photos that look amazing even when zoomed or printed larger. I really like how the camera's designed with vlog creators in mind, making it easy to record yourself while exploring new places. The camera also handles video recording smoothly, delivering crisp footage that looks great on social media or video platforms. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel days when you want powerful gear without carrying heavy equipment. For travelers who want excellent photo quality and convenient vlogging features, this camera is a great pick. 75-megapixel Wi-Fi travel camera. If you want extremely detailed travel photos, the 75-megapixel Wi-Fi travel camera delivers impressive resolution. I love how the high megapixel sensor captures fine textures and vibrant colors in landscapes, architecture, and street photography. The built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing photos fast and simple, which is perfect when you want to upload travel memories quickly. The camera body remains lightweight and easy to carry despite its powerful imaging capabilities. Its intuitive interface also makes it beginner-friendly while still offering great performance. Whether you are photographing scenic views or memorable travel moments, this camera helps ensure every shot looks sharp, detailed, and ready to share instantly. 64-megapixel vlogging dual camera. The 64-megapixel vlogging dual camera is a smart option for travelers who want flexibility while shooting photos and videos. I like how the dual camera setup allows different perspectives, which can be useful when creating engaging travel content. The 64-megapixel resolution captures clear and detailed images, helping landscapes and city scenes look vibrant and dynamic. It also performs well for vlogging thanks to its easy framing and smooth video capabilities. The camera remains compact enough for travel bags, making it convenient to carry throughout long sightseeing days. If you enjoy documenting your adventures creatively, this camera offers a great mix of performance, portability, and versatility. 5K digital photography camera. The 5K digital photography camera focuses on delivering stunning video quality along with reliable photo performance. I appreciate how the 5K recording captures incredibly detailed footage that makes travel videos look professional and immersive. The camera also handles still photography well, producing vibrant images with strong clarity and balanced colors. Its design is compact and travel-friendly, allowing you to bring it along on road trips, flights, or outdoor adventures without extra weight. The intuitive controls help beginners get comfortable quickly while still offering solid functionality. For travelers who want impressive video resolution and dependable photography performance, this camera makes capturing unforgettable moments easy and enjoyable. 48-megapixel compact vlog camera. The 48-megapixel compact vlog camera is a great choice for travelers who prefer a small yet capable camera. What I really like about this model is how portable it is, making it easy to carry everywhere without feeling bulky. Despite its compact size, the 48-megapixel sensor delivers sharp photos with excellent detail and color. It also performs well for casual vlogging, allowing you to capture memories while exploring new places. The simple interface is beginner-friendly, so you can start shooting quickly without complicated settings. If you want a lightweight camera that still provides strong photo quality and reliable video performance, this compact travel companion is worth considering. That wraps up our list of the top 11 best travel photography camera options available right now. Whether you're capturing landscapes, travel vlogs, or unforgettable moments with friends, these cameras offer great features for creators on the move. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews here on Camera Lab.